Hi my crafties, it's Tree. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a getting crafty day. I have Happy Mail! Yay! And this comes from my good friend Cathy at Katzel Create. Okay, so let me figure out how I'm going to get into this. I hope you guys are having a great day. Stay warm. I know that that was deceiving. It's getting colder here. We actually had a little hailstorm the other day, night, early morning. Okay, I'm having difficulties here. Bear with me. There we go. Got it. Okay, so that is everything. All right. Let's see. Okay, says, oh, it's so cute. So a little bit of washi tape. Oh, that's on the inside. Oh, okay. Okay, so she sent me, oh, look at that. She was gonna send these in my birthday. This is Say Yes to New Adventures. I'm not very adventurous, I'll have to say that. This is Royal Beauty over there, and there's this pretty swan, some leaves, some flowers, heart, and that Maggie Holmes banner paper. She did a decorative edge on that. So these are for those bottle caps that I have. And butterfly die. Oh, okay. So she sent Angelica over at Crafter's Treat. I forgot the numbers. I think it's 2017. She did her entry for the 500 subby giveaway, and she had the butterfly bow. It's in there. Oh my goodness. So let's see. I think that this will go like that, and then these will be the two loopy ends, and then this goes around the center. So that'll be really cute. I did not know it was so tiny. And then she showed me this. She did a truck die cut for someone's birthday in her family. Oh, there's lots of little pieces in there. So I'm not going to pull it all out. So she gifted me that so I can have a copy of it. It's going to be very cute. When I do get it done, I will share that, both of these with you. And then I don't know what this could possibly be, but that is pretty washi with the roses on it. You know, ever since I saw Soleil unwrap her presents and say that, you know, she keeps a little bit of the washi and everything and puts it in her journal, I was like, oh, maybe I need a journal. But I'll be honest, I don't really keep up with journals. I try, but I tend to be all over the place. What in the world is this? Okay. Oh, this came off. I think it was supposed to go on, yeah, the send. Oh, this is the stuff she was going to send for my birthday. Oh, these are this leaf beads that she got from Beebeecraft. Look how cute those are. Very cute. And, oh, these are the bird charms that she got from Beebeecraft. She gave me a lot of these. Wow. Look at those. Very pretty. Like a little Christmas dove, maybe, or just a bird. You know, I can think of a lot of things to do with those. Very cute. Thank you so much, Kathy. You are so generous. And there's one more thing, and I've been seeing other ladies receive their little, okay, I'm seeing, oh, pains me to rip through that. Oh. Stop ripping. Yes, yay, so pretty. So it says, "You've got this." And there's hearts and stars and pink sequins and dewdrops and little hearts. So pretty. And she's zigzagged all the way around. And she used those, oh dear, I want to say rivet, but it's not a rivet. Why do we always eyelet? And this one looks like a heart. You see that? So cute, and it's pink. And then she made this tassel, which has got a flower there, and all these pretty beads on here. So little crown. And she made an angel, and there's the tree of life. And look at the bead caps. So pretty. And she used that trim from Hobby Lobby. I have the light pink and the bright or the aqua, but I've not seen this one. So very cute. Very cute. Just plain pink on the back. Oh, so pretty. It's her bookmark that she made for the giveaway. Thank you so much, Kathy. I appreciate it so much. You are such a dear friend. I just did that over. Dear friend. So, if you don't know Kathy, I don't know how you don't. I, of course, will link Kathy in the description box below. And I will catch you in my next video. Until then, God bless you and yours. Bye for now.